In this video, I'm just going to show you how on the Nibe SMO20, how you can return to a previous software. So if you've had a software update and there's been a bit of a glitch or you're having any issues on the later firmware, this is how you can go back to the previous. So currently what you'll see is that I'm on a demo mode. So I've just got a demo software on this just for the videos and the training, and what I'm going to do is go back to a previous software which wasn't. So all you're going to do is at the bottom, is turn your controller off. And then as you turn this on, you want to be holding the OK button. So press and hold the OK and turn the slider back on. Keep the OK pressed in. After about 10 seconds, remove your finger. And there you can see we've gone to version 930. And that should load up. And this will no longer be the demo version now. So you can see I've gone back to the previous software that I had. If I wanted to go back, same again. Turn the controller off, so you can see no demo. Power off, hold the OK, push the slider across, so back on, hold the OK button, count to 10. And let go. And then you can see I'm back on the demo mode. Thanks for watching.